Okay. For this activity, for this peer review, I decided to review Kiana Gray's portfolio, um, and review, and I found a lot of interesting pictures here. Actually, for one, I think one of them being, let's see, the artist understandable project. I do believe the artist fully understood the true meaning of the project, and it's shown in many of these photos, such as um, and especially this one that shows like great composition. Uh, with the person being on the boat and um, him looking off into the deep sea or looking at the sunset. Okay, let's see what else. Um, well, the artist has used the effect of the sunlight against her of of what she's taking a picture of. And you can see like let's see what okay let's see one of the photos that really stand out to me. Actually, there are a couple, and I'm gonna go through it. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Um, this picture really stood out to me because you can, based on the photo, you can see like how the sunset, I guess, like reflects on the water, which like shows how strong like the composition is, and like and what's like or like the example that was shown to us, and I guess just like perfectly like depicts like what you wanted us to do. Let's see what else. Um, let's see. Here's another one. Uh, of like how the sunlight, I guess, like reflects on like everything of like what's below. Like it makes like everything else stand out underneath, and I feel like that's like a very creative like angle to take a picture at. Let's see, what's this? Um, Not that. Let's see what else. I don't know. Like this Florida picture, or like yeah, this picture really stands out to me the most, honestly. Um, I guess maybe this one too. I'm not sure because of like how the sunlight is like reflecting off the nails, which is like really getting the nails to like pop out at a different color. If that makes any sense. Yeah. So, let's see. This flamingo picture is actually really cool. Oh yeah, especially this one. This one is actually very creative because like you can actually like see the reflection. You can see a little bit of the reflection like within the water. And I think that's very creative, and that's a very creative angle. And yeah, why did I just call it a? It's not a flamingo. Um, I don't know. Let's see what else. I mean, there isn't really much to go off on here. Most of these are taken very simple, I guess. Kind of played it safe, if that makes sense. Let me see what else is there. Um, let's see. I mean, yeah, there are a couple of weak photos here that don't really show any or like little to like none like strong composition here, such as this Frappuccino one, or like the picture of the dog, or like I guess the picture of the dude over here. I mean, yeah, there are a couple of them that are weak because it doesn't really show like strong composition, and this one too, yeah. But like it doesn't really like show how like I mean, I know you necessarily didn't want us to take like like sunset pictures and everything, but like it just doesn't show any like strong correlation between like how how I lost track of what I was saying. Let's see, need improvement. Why? What are things I guess like a couple of things, or one thing mainly that the artist can do to like improve her images is like, I guess, not play it too safe. I guess that's kind of what she did. She didn't really step out of her comfort zone, and like, yeah,